This is the 2023 Honda CR-V. Let's say you need to change a tire on your CR-V and put your spare on, or whatever the case is, and you notice you have 4 lug nuts that look the same right there, but the 5th one does not. What is up with that? Well, you'll notice that your lug wrench will not do anything with that particular lug nut. That is called a wheel lock, and you need what is called a wheel lock key that is made specifically for your vehicle, so it's not something that people can just go out and get off of eBay or Amazon. It's what's in this bag. The good thing about it, like I said, it's unique to your vehicle, so people can't just go get what they need to steal your wheels. You'll actually insert this, it's the wheel lock key, into the lug wrench, and that will go on to the wheel lock right here and allow you to be able to take that off, and then you can go about the business of changing your tire or doing whatever you need to do where that is concerned. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.